Hey guys, this is Citygate, and we're here making plastic sleeping mats for the homeless. All you're gonna need is the plastic bags and a pair of scissors. First off, flatten the plastic bags, fold them in half, and cut off the end seams and the handles. Then, open them up. Now if this is your first time weaving, I recommend having 3 the same color and 1 different color. Take 2 in each hand and feed 1 into the other, and then fold that one you put through into itself and pull on each side to tighten it up. And you should have your first knot. Your weaver, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the weaver over the first one, under the second, and over the third, and wrap it around so it comes back underneath it. So you go back over the second one and under the first one, and wrap it around back over, and keep on doing that. The over-under maneuver, that's your basic weaving pattern. Tighten it up, just lightly pull on each string, and if you're running out, just take another plastic bag and feed it over itself, and you extend the length. Keep on doing that until you reach a length that you feel comfortable with. After you get your desired length, now it's time to move on to the next layer. What you're gonna do is set the weaver off to the side, and 3, and just take the one from the right, put that in the middle, take the one on the left, cross that over the middle. Keep on doing that 6 times. And after the 6 times, turn everything and start weaving again. Bring back the weaver, go under, over, under again, back around, under, over, under again, and then take that and feed it through one loops that you have in. Feed it through and just keep on doing that. So when you feed through, just do the process again. So go under, over, under, back over, up around, under, over, feed it through the loop, and just keep on doing that. It's the same process all over again. Just keep on doing that, and when you're done, it should start resembling a mat. This is our little assembly line. It helps smooth the process a little easier. It's always fun to do with people. Get to have a little socialization that we're missing here in the time of COVID. And after a while, you get to see the mats taking shape. This is what we've gotten so far. Stay tuned, like and subscribe so you can see what our end product looks like. We can't wait to show you guys what we created with these plastic bags and what we can do for the homeless.